Welcome to a journey through the skies of 2026, a year packed with unforgettable astronomical spectacles, planetary alignments, total eclipses, approaching comets, dazzling meteor showers, and unique celestial encounters. Mark your calendar or subscribe so you don't miss a single one. We begin the year with one of the brightest events of 2026. On January 10th, Jupiter reaches opposition. That means Earth positions itself between the Sun and the giant planet, causing Jupiter to shine at its fullest all night long. On February 28th, 6 planets will align in the night sky. Observers with binoculars, or even with the naked eye, will be able to see this cosmic parade rising from the horizon after sunset. On March 3rd, the Moon will move completely into Earth's shadow, producing a total lunar eclipse. This blood moon eclipse will tint our satellite a deep red and will be visible for nearly 5 hours. In April, Comet C 2025 R3, also known as Pan-STARRS, could become one of the brightest comets of the year, possibly even visible to the naked eye if conditions are favorable. On May 31st, we'll see the blue micromoon, the smallest full moon of the year. Due to its relative distance, it will appear smaller and dimmer. On June 9th, Venus and Jupiter, the two brightest planets in the sky, will appear very close to each other. On July 11th, the moon will pass near Mars and the Pleiades star cluster. This close grouping will create a charming scene for lovers of visual astronomy. August 12th will be one of the most spectacular days of the year. Before dawn, 6 planets will form a major alignment. Then the moon will completely cover the sun, producing a total solar eclipse. And that night, the legendary Perseids will reach their peak under dark, moonless skies. On September 22nd, Venus will reach its greatest brightness of the year, becoming an extraordinarily brilliant evening star just after sunset. October 4th is the best time to observe Saturn in 2026. At opposition, the Lord of the Rings will shine in all its glory, visible all night long, with its majestic ring system clearly noticeable even through small telescopes. On November 16th, Mars and Jupiter will form a dazzling pair in the night sky, separated by just a few degrees, and creating a spectacular conjunction for stargazers. We close the year with one of the most reliable displays, the Geminid meteor shower, expected to peak on December 14th, with more than 100 meteors per hour under dark skies. 2026 will be a cosmic festival. From giant planets to comets and meteor showers, this is the year to rediscover the night sky. Which event wouldn't you miss for anything? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a single one.